We're now going to walk you through gin swing, showing you 4 bars at a time. We start with a chassis reverse turn, finishing in promenade. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We're now going to a step and swing the back foot through the middle. Step, swing to the side, gentleman turns to face his lady, diag centre against line, and we close without weight. So we'll show those 4 bars. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 slow. Starting now on the 5th bar, the boy forward left outside of the lady, lady back on the right, and we ronde the other foot, gentleman in front, lady behind. Slow, slow. Now we're going to step back, side close, gentleman, lady forward, side close. Slow, quick, quick. Into a check, outside of the lady, slow, slow. And back, side close into promenade. Back, side close into promenade, and we adopt double hold. So we'll show that little bit again. It's quite unusual. Gent left, lady right, and step, kick, side, tap. Step, ronde, back, side close, walk, check, back, side close. So from the beginning to there. Our chassis reverse turn and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, step, swing, side, tap. Forward, ronde, back, side close, 1, check, and back, side close into this open promenade. Now from bar 9, we're going to walk down the room into a lock step and a spot turn. Slow, slow, step, cross, step, spot, turn, and chassis 2, 3. So we'll show that one more time. Gent left, lady right, walk. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. If we could take it from the beginning to there. Ready, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 slow. Step, ronde, back, side close, walk, check, back, side close, slow, lock step, quick, quick, turn, slow, chassis, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to finish with a spot turn, slow, slow chassis, quick, quick, slow, into a little check, check, replace, and back, side close. So we show that again, the last 4 bars, this outward turn and slow, slow chassis, quick, quick, slow, adopting this open promenade again into our check, slow, replace, and back, side close, bringing lady in line to finish facing diag centre, our commencing position. And now we'll show the little dance right from the very beginning. Ready, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 ronde, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 slow.